What if there was a guitar that sounded like this? Need like an annoying ning 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 ning. Ja, 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 ja. It's literally my record label calling.
Charlie, you're almost done with the song.
Jeff, I gotta finish the bridge. I'm literally making a TikTok right now.
Commercial stuff.
So you're gonna stop acting?
No way.
Come on, stop making TikToks.
Fuck you too!
Why did he keep saying come on? Come on, come on, come on. Uh-oh. Come on, come on, come on.
Come on, turn the radio on, it's Friday night.